Hi everyone, this is Honey Lacson once again. So, today magluluto tayo ng estupado. Guys, this is my own version lang po. So, everyone have their own version sa pagluluto. So, this is mine. So, minarinate ko yung pork. I use pork po sa ating karne. So, I use pork po. And then, minarinate ko siya ng 3 hours. And yung pinakatubig niya po is Coca-Cola po. And I put a little bit of sugar, brown sugar. So, ayan, naiprito ko na rin yung ating saba na saging. Thank you, Ate Heidi, for bringing us the pasalubong ng saba na saging from Philippines. Thank you so much, Ate Heidi. I appreciate it kahit 3 piraso lang yung naibigay kasi walang saba na saging dito sa Europe. May saging man dito, okay din siya, pero iba pa rin yung texture ng saba na saging from Philippines. So, ayan, tsaka yung lasa niya. So, ayan, hinalo ko na rin doon sa pork kasi malambot na yung ating pork. At thank you so much guys for every time na nagwa-watch kayo. So, thank you so much. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe para updated ka sa, at don't forget to hit the notification bell para updated ka sa mga videos na i-upload ko, especially sa mga kapwa nating mga kapwa kong OFW. Thank you so much po sa watch palagi ng aking mga video. And ayan, naihalo ko na at ito yung sinasabi na sauce pa lang, ulam na. Kasi sobrang sarap niya. Na-miss ko talaga to kasi after 5 years, hindi ako nakatikim ng saba na saging. So, once again, thank you Ate Heidi for bringing the saba na saging for us. And then, ayan, luto na yan. At sobrang sarap na. And yan lang guys for today's video. And thank you so much everyone for watching. And God bless everyone. And don't forget to hit the notification para updated kayo sa aking mga videos. And once again, this is Honey Lacson from Russia with Love. Bye!